Today we're going to learn how to calculate the volume of a rectangular prism. Specifically, we're going to learn what a rectangular prism looks like, what volume is, what type of units we use to measure volume, and how we calculate the volume of a rectangular prism. This is a rectangular prism. It's a three-dimensional object. To measure a three-dimensional object like this, we use a three-dimensional quantity called volume. Volume tells us how much three-dimensional space, or 3D space, an object occupies. We need to find the volume of this prism. Well, alright then, how much volume does this prism have? First, we need to understand what volume means. Volume is the amount of three-dimensional or 3D space something takes up. It's a 3D quantity for measuring 3D objects, like this shopping basket. Volume is measured in cubic centimetres, which looks like this block, but is only 1 centimetre in size, so it's much smaller. So volume is the amount of 3D space something takes up. So the volume of this shopping basket is what can fit inside. It will be how many of these blocks can occupy the space inside. That will be its volume. The answer is then written in cubic units. Cubic units are made by multiplying the three sides together. Length times width times height. And we abbreviate this to centimetres to the third power, or centimetres cubed. The mathematical formula to find the volume of a rectangular prism is length times width times height. Joey, what's the formula to calculate the volume of a rectangular prism?
Length times width times height.
Very good. Let's find the volume of this rectangular prism. The diagram shows that the length is 14 centimetres, the width is 6 centimetres, and the height is 3 centimetres. So we calculate these together as 14 times 6 times 3. So you get 253 centimetres cubed. So the volume of the prism is 253 centimetres cubed. Now you try to find the volume of this rectangular prism and raise your hand when you have the answer. Joey, what answer do you have?
900 centimetres squared.
Well done. The volume of the cereal box is 900 centimetres cubed. Remember, not squared. But very good, Joey. Okay, so now we know a lot about volume. We know that it's a three-dimensional quantity for measuring 3D objects like this rectangular prism and this shopping basket. We know that volume is measured in a cubic unit called cubic centimetres. We know that to calculate the volume of a rectangular prism, the formula is length times width times height. And that's how we calculate the volume of a rectangular prism. So now we're going to watch a video and listen to a song about volume. Thank you.